this is Remy Pangle again with Case at JMU, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use the pitch protractor that comes with your KidWind kit. This is a really important tool. It's one of the most important variables to pay attention to when you are working on your turbine and perfecting your blades. A lot of times when we're in the wind tunnel, we might watch your turbine perform and you see a lot of wobbling. Sometimes that is due to just the fact that your blades are at different angles. So having this pitch protractor with you when you're in the wind tunnel at competition is a great tool to have. We also do keep one at the wind tunnel for you to use, but the important thing that we're going to go over today is how to use it properly. Okay, so a protractor is an instrument that's going to help us to determine the angle or pitch of our blades. Okay, so with the KidWind pitch protractor, you have all of the numbers on the front, but on the back, you'll notice there's this little groove. And this groove here allows you to lay it on the hub and insert your dowel into that notch. So if I'm looking at my blade design, this is, for me, the easiest way to do this. You can also do this while your turbine is still on, while your rotor is still on your turbine. But for me, I find it easiest to hold it in my hand because a lot of times you want to make sure that your hub is loosened so that you can adjust your pitch without breaking your blades. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this with the screw facing up, and I'm going to take the protractor and I'm going to set it right on the back of the hub. You see how that sits there? Okay, and now when I look down the hub, I can look straight down my blade and I'm gonna find out that, okay, this blade is at 30 degrees, all right? And then I'm gonna rotate it and do the same to the next blade and just make sure that they're all at the same angle. So those are all at 30 degrees now. Now once I'm done, I'm gonna tighten that up, and it can go right back on your drivetrain or your generator, depending on what you're using, and now you're ready to test again. Again, this pitch is one of the biggest variables, so you definitely want to make sure that you have accurate measurement of your pitch. Remember, the judges love to see all your data, so make sure you're recording all of this data, and have fun testing that turbine. And now that you know how to use the pitch protractor properly, I'm sure it's going to be great. Have fun.